we start to look at the impact that your solution actually makes, we're no longer talking about just your product and service or just your features and your benefits. We're not even just talking about the problems that you help them to solve. We're talking about a snowballing effect. I really have hundreds and hundreds of stories of clients that I've worked with over the years that have had a significant flow-on effect. They came to solve one particular problem, and as a result, things opened up in their personal lives, things opened up in their business lives, things opened up in their friendships and their relationships. And that was really what I call a dominoing effect. If you think about your very best client, the very best result that you ever delivered for a client that you worked with, how did it transform that client's life? What were the flow-on effects? Not just about your product or service or the thing that you offered to them at the time. You probably got a glowing testimonial. As a result of working with you about this, there were other things in my life that freed up. And so it could have been the flow-on effect was about time created or freedom that suddenly appeared as a result of making that choice to work with you. Or it could have been an improvement in a relationship or productivity or efficiency in the way that they were working. And so I would bet that potentially you're not talking about these experiences enough in terms of your value proposition and your credibility when you're actually talking about transacting with a potential prospect or an existing client.